Welcome back, Hot Wheels family. Today in Kingdom Hot Wheels, we're going to unbox the Super Ultimate Garage 5-pack, as well as show you the conclusion of the awesome Nightburners race and giveaway. And if you're new to Kingdom Hot Wheels, subscribe and hit that bell so you won't miss any epic racing. Okay, so if any of you are new to 5-pack Friday, what we do is unbox and race a 5-pack every single week, and then we give the other one away. So last week we had the awesome Nightburner set. You have the Supra, the Lancer Evo, the Dodge Viper in silver and gold. Really cool 5-pack. Let's see how they did.
Alright, so we have the Nissan 350Z in lane number 1. Lane number 2 for the GoPro. Next up is going to be the 85 Honda CRX. Really awesome blue color there. Then the Dodge Charger Drift, the Dodge Viper GTS R, and finally the Lancer Evo.
Get set, go.
Winner, lane 6.
Okay, all of our 5-pack Friday races are best 2 out of 3, and in the very first race it looks like the Lancer Evo barely ekes it out. I'm seeing 1, 2, 3, I think 4 cars all touch the finishing gate. Let's take a look again from the GoPro. You see them all, except for the Dodge, just pulling up the rear. All of them close, all of them neck and neck, and then boom, they're all touching the finishing gate. But the Lancer Evo trips the light first and pulls out the first victory.
Ready.
Are you sure you're ready?
Yeah.
You 100% ready?
Yeah.
This is an awesome 5-pack, so we gotta do it right. You ready? On your marks, get set, go. Man, another close race, but this time the Honda CRX 1985 edition pulls it out in lane number 1. I think this is a good sign of just a really good 5-pack, that all of the cars are super close, and it looks like we're gonna have to go to heat number 3 or 4 to see who could pull off the best 2 out of 3 victory. Get set, go. Let's just take another look at that finish, because it was too close and too good not to look at another time. Really close race.
Winner, lane 4.
So the Honda Civic CRX edges out the competition, and my favorite, the Gold Viper, is in dead last. So you just never know sometimes with these 5-packs, but the Honda beat out a pretty stiff team of competition to win this week's 5-pack race. We want to give a big shout out to Hot Wheels Road Beast and Heath Swaffer. You correctly picked the Honda CRX, and that's 2 times in a row for you, Heath. Congratulations.
Did you know Hot Wheels Dad used to have a Honda Civic? I didn't have an 85 CRX. I did have a 99 SI.
Is that the next? Wait, what's his name?
He's a Honda Civic CRX with just an awesome blue paint job. Sparkles all in there. Very cool car.
Now we go.
That's our winner.
And now for the giveaway. Congratulations to Kai Park. You have won this week's 5-pack, and we'll be reaching out to you by email to get your address and ship it out to you. We truly appreciate all the support from our Hot Wheels family on YouTube, and so we're going to continue to 5-pack giveaways, and it's a way for us to get the word out, but also to give back to you guys and really share the Hot Wheels love. I mean, who doesn't need more Hot Wheels in their life? And speaking of more Hot Wheels, you are staring at the Super Ultimate Garage 5-pack. This is this week's 5-pack. I'm super excited to open it up and show it to you guys. You know, at first the name threw me off because I'm like, the Ultimate Garage, it's a toy. We've already done a review of it. It's out there on YouTube, but this 5-pack is a perfect example of Hot Wheels. Imaginary cars are made up cars. These are cars that Hot Wheels came up with. You can see their names here. Pretty cool. Nightburner, Fast Fish. We've seen these in other videos. The kids like a lot of these cars, but this is a really cool set. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, the first thing that stands out to the set is just how shiny this set is. I mean, every single one of them is a super shiny car. So first up is going to be the Imparable. This guy is really cool. It's been around for a few years, redone for this 5-pack, but it actually has a little motorcycle rider inside, and I'm trying to capture it here because he flip-flops back and forth. So awesome shiny red paint job. I mean, this is a smooth car. I'm almost surprised that all of our kids didn't pick this as their favorite. Great colors. Has 2 exhausts in the back, which of course my little boys call 2 boosters. So this is a really neat Hot Wheels car. Okay, next up is the Iridium or Iridium. Very shiny car. The dome on top is just super cool. Very cool blue. He looks like a little arrow ready to get shot down the track. Lots of clear plastic. Just a very cool looking car. And next up is the Nightburner sneaking onto the scene. This is just an awesome Hot Wheels. It has about 15 different things going on. It's got chrome, it's got a really nice cool black color, it has some type of hydro air vent Nightburner exhaust system coming out the back. It has a fin in the back, chrome wheels. The orange and the red and the yellow and the black really go well together. Very cool concept car by Hot Wheels. But let's see how fast he's going to be on the track. I don't know. He looks a little bit heavy. Maybe not the most aerodynamic, but he is pretty sleek. So let's give him a shot. And next up we have Hadley's favorite by a long shot. Dual fuel. He's got the dual fuselage looking coming down the sides. The color is really what sets it apart. You know, Hadley said it looks like Hot Wheels Mama's fingernails because it's just an awesome purpley color. It has the hole in the middle. It's almost like he's spying on the other cars on the track. But a very sleek, very cool, very purpley car. A nice chrome engine in the back with big wheels. Hadley said these are the biggest Hot Wheels that she has ever seen. So this car is endeared to her. But again, will it be as fast as the other ones? Pretty aerodynamic. Very thin, very light. We're just gonna have to see. And last but not least is the Fast Fish. This is one of Sawyer's favorite cars of all time. I think he fell in love because he won one of M&H Racing's tournaments a couple years ago, and ever since then Sawyer's just Fast Fish. He loves this car. So we're gonna have to see. Some of the videos out there, Fast Fish has been pretty quick, other a little bit slow. Awesome lime, green and white color. Let's find out. Here we go. On your marks, get set, go. Okay, comment down below with your favorite to win the race for a chance for a shout out in next week's video. Also, here are the official rules of the giveaway. Please enter and subscribe and share those with every Hot Wheels fan and collector and lover that you know, so that we can give away as many of these to as many people as possible. We love you guys, and as always, we want to encourage you to get out there and keep racing.